Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Pretzel Man Basket. Now obviously knowing how to do a pretzel would be really important, and knowing how to do a standard man basket would be really useful as well. Links in the description below. Assuming you know those things, you're ready to do this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard pretzel. So we go semicircle, offering the hand, bringing the lady in. We go left over the lady, right over the lady, bringing the lady back towards us. We go right over the guy. Now from here, fellas, what we're going to do is we're going to turn to our left, keep the right hand high, keep the left hand low. We're going to keep going until we find ourselves in a basket. And as we do that, we're leading the lady forwards as we head backwards to tension the back arm, just as you would in a normal man basket. And then it ends as a man basket of redirection and face at the end. So let's think numbers. We go semicircle back, 1, left over the lady, 2, right over the lady, 3, right over the guy, 4, wrap into the basket, 5, create tension, 6, redirect, 7, and face 8. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, a Pretzel Man Basket. It's offer. Left up, right up, wrap, tension, redirect, and look. And there you have it. That's it. Pretzel Man Basket. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you very much to everyone who does that. Do tell your friends about us. And music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Thank you, as always, for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.